Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda. In today's video, I'm going to use these vanished bottles and I'm going to cut them in 5 ways and I'm going to turn them into planters. And I'm going to use deco transfer sheet on them. This is real easy and fun. So let's get started.
First, remove the labels. They come off very easily. I want the height at 10 centimeters. Be very careful while using a precision knife.
Don't throw this part because you can make an upside down planter with this. You can click on the I button to watch my video.
Using a hot screwdriver to make holes. I forgot to mark these points earlier.
Don't throw this piece, you can use this for your gardening purpose. You can pick mud with this.
I've cut all the 5 bottles and made holes in them.
Now I'm going to use deco transfer sheet and I'm just going to cut the image which I want and I'm going to stick it. Put a coat of white gesso and then I'll put the transfer sheet.
You can click on the I button to watch my video on how to make white gesso at home. Cut carefully around the image. Gently remove the transparent sheet. Place the design upside down on the surface where you want to transfer it. Use a wet sponge and dab water on the transfer paper. Gently remove the paper to reveal the transferred image. I'm going to do the same procedure for the other 4. I love cycling, so I'm going for bicycle image for the other 4. Most items used for my video are from Itsy Bitsy. If you wish to shop with them online, then you can use my coupon code HILDA5 in caps to get extra 5% discount. Link and coupon code mentioned in the description box below. I have transferred image on all 5 and now I'll let it dry completely.
So now it's absolutely dry and I'll give a coat of varnish. I'm going for gloss. You can even go for matte.
Apply varnish with a very soft hand. Using a flat brush.
Now I'm going to use this jute twine to tie and I'm going to add some beads.
Tie a knot to secure the beads. Using lightweight potting mix for the hanging planters.
You can add artificial flowers in this. It's going to look lovely. But let's make it into a planter.
Using a thin paper foam sheet. For the cuttings, I am removing the leaves at the bottom and give it a 45-degree angle cut just below the node. This helps in root development.
First we'll fill the mud till this level and we'll put the cuttings, and then again we'll put the mud and we'll put the cuttings, and we'll do the same for this.
This is turtle vine plant and this develops roots very easily. This is an excellent plant for a hanging basket and it looks absolutely beautiful. This is my favorite plant.
For this one, I'm not putting any plants. I'm going to put artificial flowers. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you will try this DIY. Do like, share, subscribe. I'll come back with another interesting video. Until then, bye-bye, take care, and I love you all.
Do let me know in the comment section below which one you like the most.